but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Hi everyone, it's me Gloria. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another a day in my life video. So come spend a day with me. And right now it's like 10:30 a.m. and I am having my breakfast. So I made myself pancake, added a lot of banana and dry fruits. Also I made hot coffee. So this is black coffee without milk, without sugar. So plan for the morning is to obviously I will eat this breakfast. After that I got a new device, so I'll try and taste that, clean my room, clean my bed. Also I have my journal with me, so I'll do journaling and I'll tell you how to start journaling and talk about it later. And I'm planning to visit a new cafe and go for grocery shopping in the afternoon. So yeah, and this is how I have planned my day. Now let's get started.
So after finishing my breakfast, I quickly came upstairs to clean my room and my bed, and today I am using this Agaro Grand Bed Vacuum Cleaner. It is perfect for cleaning any dry surface like carpets, bed, mattress, pillow or sofa. It has cyclonic technology for dust collection and UV light sterilization. Now let me break it down what it does and how to use it. So it comes with a really long cord, which is why it is very convenient to use anywhere. So this is the main body and this is the dust collecting tank with 350 ml capacity. As you can see, it has vents on the both side and it comes with a very powerful motor which provides 12 kPa suction power for effective dust cleaning. Also it might look heavy, but trust me, it is very handy. You can easily pull it and move it around with this handle. It comes with these 3 small wheels, which is why it is very smooth and easy to move it around. Now this is the vibration pad and this is the suction area. This vacuum cleaner comes with UV light sterilization. The blue light you are seeing, it disinfects 99% bedbugs, mites or bacteria. Also, if you have noticed, it has this LED lights in the front, and as you power on the vacuum cleaner, it will automatically turn on. Lastly, this is the power button. We have to press and turn it on and move it around our bed to clean it neatly. Now my bed might look very clean and neat as I changed the bedsheet just yesterday, and I often do clean my bed, but this vacuum cleaner has very strong suction power, so you are going to see the amount of dust it is going to collect that we cannot even see with our eyes. Now I am going to use the vibration mode to clean my pillow. So this is the vibration switch and it helps to remove any bedbug, mites or bacteria. It gets automatically turned off after using for 15 minutes as it has a very powerful motor, so it can get hot, but you can use it again once it is cooled down. And not only our bed like mattress or bed sheet, we can clean any flat surface with it. I am cleaning my sofa here. And now I'll show you the amount of dust it has collected and how to remove and clean it. So we have to press this button to remove this dust tank. We have to unlock the lid and open all the attachments. So this is the HEPA filter you are seeing. It works as an air purifier, and except this HEPA filter we can clean and wash all the attachments. And look at the amount of dust it has collected. Oh my god. It is very easy to clean, and once you're done cleaning, you have to put everything back at its place. I love how effectively it removes and collects dust from my bed. I'm really happy with this purchase, and I'll leave the link in description for you all, so do check it out.
So I just finished journaling, and when I shared my journal on shorts, a lot of you asked me like how to start journaling, and I'll tell you exactly how. It is very simple and easy. Just get yourself a notebook. It doesn't have to be a cute fancy journal, you know. Just get a notepad and start writing things like you wanna do, things you love or things you like, something like that. Make a to-do list or shopping list. Make a weekly goal or daily goal and keep a track on them. Also write down things you are grateful for, maybe good things about yourself, or where you stand today and where you want to see yourself tomorrow or maybe in next year. So things like that. Write down about your day, like how your day went. If it went good, write it down. If it went bad, write it down as well. Express how you feel about it and what you can do to make it better, you know. So yeah, plus make it very cute. Like we girls love cute things, so add maybe cute stickers. I use these stickers to make it look cute. Also maybe use colorful pins, and just start doing it. Start expressing in this paper, you know, and once you start doing it, you're gonna love it. It is so therapeutic and peaceful. I used to do it when I was in school, then I just stopped. I don't know why, and once I got this journal, I again started doing it. So yeah, it is very peaceful. Also, I get a lot question about this journal. So this is Pond's skincare journal, and this is their limited edition. You can't buy it anywhere. How I got it, I did an Instagram collaboration with Pond's and hosted a giveaway, so they sent me this for that collaboration. But you still can get it. How? Just go to Pond's Instagram page, you know, they are still hosting a lot of giveaways. Participate in those and you might get lucky and win one. So yeah, and right now I'm gonna go quickly take a shower, and I am really excited to open all the PR packages lying there. So yeah, let's go and take a shower. Okay, so I just took a really nice shower and did my skincare and all. Now I'm going to open all these PR packages. There are like a lot. Let me show you. So I have this and this. So there are a lot, and all of them are from Numi. So Numi has sent me a lot of fall outfit. Plus here are some jewelry boxes as well, and I am going to open all of them. And I have my paper cutter with me. I think I'm gonna start with the jewelry first. So let's get into it. I have some rings in it. This is how the ring looks, and I know my nails are ugly, but the rings are pretty, so focus on them. And they looks really pretty, so I like it. Plus the t-shirt I am wearing, this is again also from Numi. So if you like any of the items that I am going to open, I'll try to link it in the description, so do check it out. Now let's open this box. So next, this is the teardrop earring I got. Plus it has this small stones detailing on it, and it is looking really pretty. I think I'm going to start with this one. Let's open it. Two tops in it. So this is the top. It's a really pretty tube top, asymmetrical tube top, and it has this asymmetrical detailing, and the color looks so pretty. I like it. And the next top that we have is this one. Really cute black kwami top, and it has this detailing in the front. I don't know, it is not looking good on camera, like I don't know how to show you, but yeah, this is how it looks, and it has this detailing in the front, and I'm sure it is going to look nice when I style it with a really nice skirt or denim. Nice shirt, and I got it to wear it on those days when I don't know like what to wear, and it is such a neutral color. I think it is even going to look good in fall as well. So yeah, in this one, it's a big package, you guys. We have a cardigan, you guys. But this is not a cardigan, this is a pullover, and it is so soft. Just look at the material, it is so good in quality. Crop tops, basically a arm warmer, I think that is what you call it. So this is how it is going to be. It does not comes with any button or zip, so you are just supposed to wear it like this on your tube tops and cami tops, and I think it is going to look really cute. So yeah, now let's move on with the last package. A cardigan or a sweater, whatever you want to call it, in this white and olive green color. I don't know, the color came really light. On the website it was looking very dark olive, but it looks cute. So yeah, and it is in relaxed fade. It is warm and nice, and with that we are done with the PR haul. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and have lunch, and let's see what my mom made for lunch today. So it is currently 1:30 p.m. right now, and I am going to have my lunch, and this is my lunch. মামনি সাবুর কিছু একটা বানিয়েছে, সো দিস ইজ ভেজ, নিরামিষ, কারণ আজকে নিরামিষ কিছু একটা আছে, তো নিরামিষ সব কিছু রান্না হয়েছে, সো আই এম গোয়িং টু হ্যাভ দিস. And I have grew this habit of watching something while eating, so I am going to scroll on Pinterest for a bit, or maybe watch a K-drama, because to be honest I don't have anything else to do today, because I knew I'm going to film this video. So I have finished all the editing and all the work yesterday itself, so that today I can focus on this video. So yeah, maybe I will watch a K-drama, and if you're a K-drama fan, do let me know like good series or good movies in the comment section, and I'll watch that. I have watched very few K-dramas like The Glory, Queen of Tears, and A Business Woman. I can remember these three I only watched. So yeah, now let's have my lunch.
So after having lunch, I spent the whole time watching a K-drama. Then I quickly got ready in the afternoon and came to Kolkata to go to this really nice cute cafe, as I said. But this is not a new cafe. I have been here but only once though, but it's a really nice cafe. I love the vibe, I love the aesthetic. So this cafe has this big giant mirror which I really like, and we clicked a lot of pictures, outfit pictures, and luckily that day we got the outside sitting, because it is really pretty and Pinteresty than the inside sitting. We ordered our favorite drinks, coffee, some food, and we were chatting. The vibe was really nice. So from the cafe, as I planned, I went straight to this grocery shop at Park Street called Nature's Basket, and I am telling you guys, this shop is literally heaven. I just get so overwhelmed here. I mean, there is so many options, so many things to choose from, and I spend so much of my time looking at random things. I think I have reached at a point of my life where I enjoy and spend more time doing grocery shopping than I spend on a clothing store. So I picked up few of my favorite ramens and some basic things like bread, butter and all, though I wish I could take everything with me. Overall, it was a really great day and I hope you are having a great day too. And if you like this video, you know the drill. Do leave a comment and I see you in the next one. Bye.